Hi guys, welcome back. So today, join me. Let me show you how I prepare this my favorite meal. All right, this is some potato fries and some sauce, fish and egg sauce. Okay, this is my Titus fish which I've washed properly, and then I'll go ahead and slice it into pieces, remove the bones so I can be able to get the particular texture I want and how I want it in my sauce. Okay, this is all of them well shredded. Now into my pot, I have some vegetable oil, heat it up, add the fish and seasoning cube. Okay, here is some garlic which I'm going to slice also and add into my pot. Add some salt and then start stirring it. Okay, so I'll stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll go ahead with some onions and pepper. Okay, at this point, okay, so I'll stir, fry for about 10 minutes maximum. Make sure the fish is well cooked, well done, and when I'm sure everything is well cooked, I'll turn off the gas, keep it aside, and continue with the rest of the food. Okay guys, please, if you're not yet following my page and you're seeing this video, kindly follow my page, give this video a like and share. Okay, now it's time to prepare the egg sauce. I just added green bell pepper, spring onions and some salt into my pan and vegetable oil. Mix the egg and add. Okay, fry it, get the egg sauce ready. This is actually my favorite way of preparing egg sauce. It usually comes out very tasty. All right, now some potatoes are frying, and now my food is ready. Look at this, this is actually a well and adequate diet. Is a high protein diet. Actually, it has lots of protein, it has vegetables, it has all the classes of food, the minerals, everything you need in a meal is in this one plate. I recommend it for someone trying to maintain a healthy weight, trying to eat healthy, and also children love this. Trust me, they love it a lot. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, share, comment. Thank you. Bye.